Is it time to buy or sell Direxion Daily Small Cap Bear 3x ETF? In this video, we will explore Direxion Daily Small Cap Bear 3x ETF in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 27th of August, 2025, and now we aim to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since August 21st, 2025, our system has identified the Direxion Daily Small Cap Bear 3x ETF as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -5.75. Now, let's examine the ETF's performance during this time frame. The ETF has recorded a loss of -12.76%. This equates to an average daily loss of -2.55% since it was categorized as a strong sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund is positioned within the lower range of a very wide and declining trend in the short term, which may present a favorable buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $8.67 is breached, it will initially signal a stronger downward movement. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 26.44% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decline of 28.8% to a decrease of 10.87%. In terms of the longer outlook, our 12-month analysis projects a change of around -4.76%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between a decline of 4.76% to an increase of 154.5% over the next year. Currently, this would suggest a future price between $8.53 and $22.80. Our latest daily update for the Direxion Daily Small Cap Bear 3x ETF includes the headline, Weaker Technical Forecast for Direxion Daily Small Cap Bear 3x as ETF downgraded to Strong Sell Candidate. The Direxion Daily Small Cap Bear 3x ETF price fell by 1.97% on the last day, which was Wednesday, the 27th of August, 2025, from $9.14 to $8.96. During this last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 3.25%, with a day low at $8.94 and a day high of $9.23. The price has been experiencing volatility during this period, resulting in a loss of 6.37% over the past 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day by 4 million shares. Although this was accompanied by falling prices, this could serve as an early warning, and the risk may slightly increase over the next couple of days. In total, 28 million shares were exchanged for approximately $252,270,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $25.70, while the lowest price was $8.94. Currently, the price is 65.14% or $16.74 below the 52-week high and 99.06% or $940.60 below the all-time high on March 19, 2020, when the price reached $949.56. TZA is a 3x inverse exchange-traded fund on the Russell 2000, designed for daily trading rather than buy-and-hold strategy. Recent market commentary highlights 2 opposing trends: discussions about potential upcoming Federal Reserve rate cuts that could likely enhance small-cap stocks, a negative factor for TZA, and periods of heightened volatility that have occasionally propelled TZA onto the list of top weekly performers when small caps decline. In practical terms, this means that in the short term, TZA can experience significant increases during small cap sell-offs or volatility spikes, making it a powerful tactical hedge or speculative instrument. However, over the medium to long term, the effects of daily resets and leveraged compounding can lead to structural decay that diminishes value if TZA is held through turbulent or rising markets. Therefore, ongoing strength in small caps or a cycle of easing by the Federal Reserve would generally diminish TZA's price. In summary, short-term price fluctuations will reflect small-cap struggles or panic, while long-term prospects are limited by leverage decay and the overall trend in small-cap performance. The following signals have been identified for Direxion Daily Small Cap Bear 3x ETF. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The Direxion Daily Small Cap Bear 3x ETF holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, resulting in a negative outlook for the ETF. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, where the long-term average exceeds the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, resistance will be encountered at the levels of $9.63 and $10.53. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, the 1st of August, 2025, and thus far, the ETF has declined by 25.15%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Yesterday, volume increased despite falling prices, which may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor this ETF more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a sell signal from 19 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 11 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a sell signal from 5 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 20 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 13 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 13 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 76 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 68 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for the Direxion Daily Small Cap Bear 3x ETF. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Under the right conditions, this ETF may experience significant declines in the coming days. The ETF is likely to exhibit considerable movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this ETF is categorized as high risk. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated by 290 cents between its high and low points, which is a change of 3.25%. In the past week, the ETF has shown an average daily volatility of 4.99%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Direxion Daily Small Cap Bear 3x ETF. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Direxion Daily Small Cap Bear 3x ETF is at $9.09. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. There's no significant support from accumulated volume below, which means the ETF could potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing bets only if you are an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Direxion Daily Small Cap Bear 3x ETF a good buy? Direxion Daily Small Cap Bear 3x ETF holds several negative signals and is currently within a very wide and declining trend. As a result, we believe it will continue to perform weakly in the upcoming days or weeks. Therefore, we have a negative evaluation of this ETF. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF since the last evaluation from a sell to a strong sell candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, August 28th, we expect Direxion Daily Small Cap Bear 3x ETF to open higher by 8 cents and start trading at $9.04. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor prior to buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.